I'm gonna get this started. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and start and start as a host, and as you can see our building spawn point is set, but our icon, which is supposed to be 50, is supposed to change and does not. So what does work is, and let's get the console open and clear that so I can show the errors. We could drag and drop a building, right? It's gonna give us a null error, but what's happening is this knob icon is supposed to change to 50, so something is wrong in that area. I'll post the error message that I get. I don't think that one really matters as much though. But so let's go ahead and stop this. What I want to show is when I try to, let's go to the actual map hierarchy. When I try to do the building display, let's see, in the building button. Okay. And this is supposed to be the building script. I'll go into the prefab to even do it. And as you can see, the unit spawner, I can put in there. The icon, I can put in there. But when I try to put the building price text in the price text field, as you can see, it won't let me go in there. So the icon will let me go in there, but this won't let me go in at all. Oops. Let's cancel that. Okay, that didn't do anything. And yeah, so that's pretty much where I'm at. It's for whatever reason, the little box icon, it does change to a knob, but it doesn't change to a 50. Maybe that's something I got wrong. But I also cannot add the price text to this price text field. So that's the issue that I am having.